I have Samsung Galaxy J6 and let me show you how to enable developer options on the following device. Let's start with choosing Settings, slide down to the very bottom and choose About Phone. Here we need to tap on the software information and now find the build number. Let's tap on it several times. As you can see, developer mode has been enabled. Let's go back, and here we have developer options. In the developer options we have such settings as OEM unlock or the USB debugging. Thank you for watching, please subscribe to our channel and leave a like under the video.